given the support na napakagaling, napakaganda. So I think this is the first time na nagkaroon ako ng ganitong kagandang support sa isang siguro business entity, no? So yeah, I'm very happy and contented. No? So as I said, bago nga ako dito sa business setup, dropshipping. So sa ngayon, very good, napakahusay ng Bilis Binta when it comes to the support. So pag mayroong mga kailangang itanong, malaman or what regarding sa dropshipping, so kumpleto lahat ng mga learning materials, mga videos and everything. And aside doon, yung mga group chats like Viber or whatever channel, napaka-active ng Bilis Benta. So when it comes to that, mabilis yung support. So kung sino man siguro yung gustong mag-subscribe with Bilis Benta, so na katulad ko, baguhan din. So I think hindi kayo nila pababayaan. So well, I'm just talking based on my experience. Talagang when it comes to the support, maganda, napakaganda ng support system nila. So I'm very happy and contented doon sa support na binibigay nila. So I think this is going to be a long journey. So with Bilis Benta, given the support na napakagaling, napakaganda. So I think this is the first time na nagkaroon ako ng ganitong kagandang support, siguro business entity, no? So yeah, I'm very happy and contented. So katulad ng mga sinasabi nyo, hassle-free siya. Kailangan mo lang bayad ng subscription and the products and everything are there. So yung trabaho mo lang is really just to do your part on the marketing side on sa mga platforms. So maganda, magaling, okay siya. So, everything else when it comes to the Bilis Benta, talagang napakaganda, napakagaling. So hassle-free dun sa side ng dropshipper.